Well, and let's bring you the latest now from the Delhi High Court, where the High Court has denied not to sell green crackers, which is a setback certainly for those selling crackers. The Delhi High Court has said that green crackers won't be sold in the national capital. Nilashish joins us for more on this. Nilashish, of course, bursting firecrackers, be they green crackers or regular crackers, have become a huge subject of discussion. What is the background of this case? What was the relief that was sought, and what has the court held?
Well, basically, approximately 50 firecracker traders had challenged an order to cancel their licenses to sell firecrackers in the Delhi NCR region. Now, in July, the Supreme Court had initially upheld an NGT ban on the sale of firecrackers where the air quality was poor. Now, given that the Delhi government has decided to ban crackers in its totality, these firecracker traders came to the Delhi High Court and said that allow us to sell our stock. If not, they had also sought for permission to ship their remaining stock out to other areas where they could, in fact, sell these particular crackers. Now, what was said by the court is that it was not very appropriate for the Delhi High Court to really pass orders in this situation because the Supreme Court order as well as the NGT orders in a way came in the way of the petitioners. This is what Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva, while hearing the matter, said. He was initially not inclined to really give any relief, saying that this is the wrong forum for the petitioners to have approached. Thereafter, the question regarding whether or not the traders could in fact ship these crackers outside Delhi was concerned came up. What the center said in this situation was interesting because it is said that if such an order was passed by the High Court, there is an apprehension that the traders could misuse the order to sell firecrackers anywhere in the country. Now, the onus was on the traders itself, is what the Delhi government as well as the center said, as to show where exactly they could sell these crackers. And the Delhi High Court also asked whether or not someone who wanted to purchase these crackers, if they came from a place where the air quality was impeccable, if the air quality was good, if those people could sell, could buy crackers from these particular traders. Now, this is a discussion that was in a way cut short because the traders then eventually withdrew their petition. So the petition is dismissed as withdrawn. But the question still remains as to whether a temporary license could be granted to these traders if they give details regarding where they will be able to sell these crackers. And if that is the case, whether that will be allowed and how that will be allowed. But that onus is again on the government to see whether they'll allow that in line and in sync with the orders of the Supreme Court and the NGT.
Yeah, Nilesh, it's interesting that you mentioned the Supreme Court. I was just going to ask you about that next. The Supreme Court is also hearing a matter related to the Calcutta High Court's order on firecrackers. Friday also there was an order. There is obviously some policy uncertainty as far as firecrackers are concerned. So where does the Delhi High Court order sit in the middle of these multiple judicial pronouncements on firecrackers?
Well, yes. The two aspects that came out in terms of the firecrackers issue is that Kolkata and Delhi, in a way, had completely banned the sale and usage and storage of firecrackers. Now, this is on the basis of the Supreme Court order, which upheld the NGT order that given that there is poor air quality in XYZ places, you cannot burn firecrackers there, especially given the fact that certain chemicals, including barium, are involved in these firecrackers, wherein the air quality significantly and it leads to pollution. And not just pollution, there is a surge in COVID cases and there is an apprehension regarding that as well. So given all these extraneous circumstances, the Delhi High Court was of the opinion that the Supreme Court order stands firm. Now the Supreme Court will also be hearing at 3 p.m. This case regarding the West Bengal traders who have approached the court. Now, it will be very interesting to note whether after the Delhi High Court order, which says that the Supreme Court order comes in the way of the petitioners, whether the Supreme Court now believes that it is possible to sell particular firecrackers if they do not harm the environment, if they are on the barium aspect of manufacturing, whether or not there is some sort of solution that can come in to help these particular manufacturers and traders, because it is also their livelihood that is at stake, which has been clearly stated before the Supreme Court now in the case that will come up at 3 p.m. So whether there is some sort of permission or relief given to them is something that we have to wait and watch. But it is very clear from what the Delhi High Court has said that the situation and the ban is such that if there is any sort of poor air quality anywhere across the country, in those places, definitely there can be no shipping and no selling of crackers as per the Supreme Court order.
Well, Nilishesh, thank you so much for putting that in context. Of course, the Supreme Court is also going to hear the matter today. We'll bring you all those updates as Nilishesh was just telling us.